very good, beautiful morning to you.
Nice to be here.
How are you? I was just thinking that Oklahoma was the very first musical I ever went to see. It's the very first musical that you ever played in. Now, a little earlier on the programme, we understand that there was a technical error and a microphone may have been open and unfortunate language may have been broadcast on the programme. And if you heard that this morning, we do make an apology for that. Unfortunately, people who presume that their microphones are closed may talk a little bit more freely than they should. So apologies if you were offended by that. I'm just going to look into correcting that technical problem and make sure that it doesn't happen again.
But that's all we have for this morning. Louise and I will be back tomorrow morning at 6.
Have a good day, whatever you're doing. Goodbye.